If you are looking for an easy breakfast bowl recipe, then give this healthy protein bowl recipe a try. I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. If you want to know how to start eating healthy, then take that free health assessment in the description below to help you get on the path to a healthy life. Healthy is simple. Let's begin. In a single serving bowl, add a heaping spoonful of coconut milk yogurt, a heaping tablespoon of plant protein powder, and 2 drops of lemon essential oil to improve digestion and detox, a handful of blueberries, then drizzle with raw almond butter. Top with a spoonful of hemp seeds, a spoonful of chia seeds, and then a big spoonful of coconut cream. That's it. Yum! It's super simple and so tasty, and a great way to start your day. Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with a free health assessment in the description below. So take that next step, and thank you for watching.